Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Megan Risica and I'm a fashion and lifestyle vlogger, and today I'm decorating for Galentine's Day. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to film myself decorating, and then after that I'm going to show you, like, walk around and do a little house tour and show you where I got all of my decor items. A lot of it is from Amazon, but I did get a few specialty items. So let's get started and let's start decorating. So this is the bouquet I made yesterday. Lil was drinking in the background, and I just wanted to talk about where I got a few of the items. So the vases I got for everybody were from IKEA, and then these candles, like the bases, are from Joann's. It's in their like spring collection. These little vases are from the Dollar Spot at Target. Candlesticks are from Amazon. Everything back there, the backdrop I made was from Amazon as well. The little bows that I tie to the kitchen cabinets hardware, whatever you want to say. Those are from Amazon as well. I put these up during Christmas time in white, and I just really like them, so I thought it'd be cute for Valentine's Day as well. The plates, these ones, and this are from Bonjour Fête. So that's where these came from. Thought they were really cute. And then basically all of the decor in here is from Amazon. The pillows are from Target. They're room essential and they were $5. And then this banner, this one here, this heart one, is from Target. And then the other one is from Target. It's from Opal House, but it's from years ago. I think it's probably like 4 years old at this point, but that's where I got everything in here. It was actually really easy to do. Oh, the bows. The bows are from Joann's. I just got ribbon to do that, but oops, I think it turned out really cute in here. So I just want to say thank you so much for watching this week's video. I hope you enjoyed it. I think I'm just going to keep this banner up for as long as I can because it's so cute, but I hope you enjoyed this. My Galentine's Day party was really fun. It was just like wholesome, nice activity to do with everyone. I have a hair appointment next, so I'm heading out for that. This banner is going to stay up. I hope you all have a lovely February, a great Valentine's Day, and I will see you next week, next month, for more fashion, lifestyle, and Trader Joe's hauls. Bye, everyone.